If you're trying to install Epic Games Online Services, also known as EOS, the good news is that in most cases it installs automatically with the Epic Games Launcher. So in today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to get it installed, what to do if it's missing, and how to fix it if you run into an error. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's start with the recommended method. Open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. If you already have it installed, simply sign in and launch any Epic game, or begin installing one. In many cases, EOS will automatically download in the background as part of the game's setup or launch process. So if you are worried that you needed a separate complicated installer, you usually don't. Epic handles it for you. Now, if Epic Online Services did not install automatically, or if you're getting a missing file or setup error, you can install it manually. To do that, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type this path exactly: C:/program files x86 /Epic Games /Epic Online Services. Then press Enter. Once that folder opens, look for EpicOnlineServicesInstaller.exe. Double-click it to run the installer. When the setup window appears, click Install or Repair, depending on what you see. If the service is damaged or partially installed, the repair option can help restore it without you having to do a full reinstall. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next method is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher itself. First, uninstall Epic Games Launcher from your system, then download and install the latest version directly from Epic's official website. When you set it up again, EOS should install automatically along with it. This method is especially useful if the launcher files were corrupted or outdated. A quick tip here: if you're troubleshooting an Epic game and it keeps asking for Epic Online Services, it's usually related to a missing or broken launcher component, not the game itself. That's why reinstalling or repairing the launcher often fixes the issue fast. So to recap, your options are: let EOS install automatically through the Epic Games Launcher, run the installer manually from the Epic Online Services folder, or reinstall the launcher if needed. In most cases, one of these three methods will get it working. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.